Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be our sixth module, or rather our sixth video in this module, and it's going to be on the installation of the Anaconda distribution. Now, this is a distribution that comes with a lot of IDEs. So in this video, we are going to be installing this distribution, and I'll show you how to make use of the Jupyter Notebook to be precise. So in our next video, we'll start focusing on Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we won't be using the idle again because to be precise. All you need to do is to move down to your browser. Okay, any browser you're making use of, just move down to the browser, and then you search for Anaconda download, and then hopefully the first link that will pop up, just click on that. You click on download, and then you have for Python 2.7 and Python 3.7. okay, don't go for Python 2.7. okay, just download that for Python 3.7. If you're working with a 64-bit system, you click on 64-bit download, about 400 and something MB. Then for 32-bit, you click on this. So I'm not going to do that because I already have Anaconda downloaded. Now once you're done downloading it, it will take a couple of time depending on the browser and the network you're using. When you're done downloading it, just go ahead and install it. Now when you're installing it, use the default settings you have there. So basically all you have to do is to click on next, I agree, install, and then you wait for a while. When it is done installing, you can search for it. Just type Jupyter Notebook. I think I have it there. Yeah, just type Jupyter Notebook. You click on this, and then you wait for a while. Okay, it's going to open in your browser, your default browser. I think you should either use Firefox as your default browser or Chrome as a default browser. Most times, if you use Chrome and it doesn't turn out fine, it's not giving you what you want, you can switch the default browser to Firefox. I think it takes care of a lot of issues. So in one case, I think this is Chrome, so I'm using Chrome as the default browser. So you see a window like this. Okay, that's what you're going to see. You have all your files here, your document, contacts, downloads, favorites, desktop. So you just have to browse to the folder you're making use of. In one case, I'll go to my desktop, move down to every, and within every, remember I'm storing all we're doing in a folder called YouTube content. So I'll click on YouTube content, Python fundamental. That's a long process, man. So click on codes. Then I have to save everything I want in this folder. Okay, so this is model 1, Python basic, everything we have. These are the codes we've been writing so far, they are all there. So if you want to create a new file, you click on new and then Python 3. You want to create a folder, you have the folder here, but in this case we are going to click on Python 3 because we are creating a new file. So you click on that, and then it will open a new browser window for you. So this is where you're going to type your codes. Okay, you have a couple of options there. You either run, when you're done typing your code, you want to run a particular cell, you can click on run here. You can click on this you have here, you wish not all of Jupyter Notebook has it, or you can type shift enter. So for instance, if I say print hello and I want to run this, I can click on run. If I say a is equal to 12 and I want to run this, I can still click on run or click on what I have here. That will do the work. It's once a particular cell is done running, you're going to see a number here. Okay, so this is the first one I ran, this is the second. To include a new cell, you can click on this plus symbol here. It's going to insert a new cell for you. Okay, so in this new cell, I want to print the value of a. So I can say just print A and click on go on. So if you notice what's happening here, the cells are actually connected. Okay, I typed the value of A here, or I initialized the value of A here, but I'm able to access that value down here. So all the cells you have here are actually connected. Okay, so you can treat them individually, or you can just treat them as a unit. Okay, so if you have a variable that you've declared before, you want to override that variable, just go to the next cell and give the variable a new value, and automatically it has been overridden. Okay, so um, so that's it about the Anaconda distribution. We have a lot of things to do with this, and there are a lot of functionalities. One thing with this Jupyter notebook is you can actually document your code, not using Python but using a Markdown. Okay, using a Markdown, you can document your code. You can add headings and the rest of that to your code. So from the next video, we'll be using Jupyter notebook, and then I will explain how to work with the Markdown system, how to format your document very well using Jupyter notebook. So if you have any question, any complaint, you can go ahead and put it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.